Hello guys! Welcome to Toy Stories TV. Today we'll play with Play-Doh and this dump truck. It's big and yellow, and I think it has this it can go up and down and up and down. And now this truck is going to help us clean some mess from the Play-Doh. I have some blue Play-Doh here, and we're going to make some building stuff and some mess. Let's make some mess from the Play-Doh like this. There's a big pile here. Now we are going to put it in the truck, and we're going to move it away. It's going up, and now we're going to move it away here. And then it's coming out. Then we're going to put a bit more. Can it go up? Oh, it's very heavy, it can't go up. And now down, and like this. Now we've moved all our mess of the Play-Doh, and we're going to make a big bowl and another big bowl. Which I'm going to put here. I wonder if these are very heavy for our truck to lift up. Can you lift this up? They are very, very heavy. Oh, can you put them down? I know they are very, very heavy. Well done. Now they are rolling out. It's not easy moving all these giant balls of Play-Doh around. But I think we've done very good work. Let's put them inside the box so that we can play more games with the Play-Doh later. I love playing with Play-Doh. If you like watching Play-Doh videos, subscribe for Toy Stories TV for more. Thank you.